Good morning, children. Children, we have already finished our syllabus up to half yearly. Now let us proceed forward and let's start chapter 5, disasters, natural and human made. Disasters. Disasters means any destruction which cause loss of life and property. Here you can have the example of, if it is natural, then earthquake, volcanic eruption, flood, cyclone. These are the examples of natural disasters. In such natural disasters, man is not responsible. Only these disasters is occurred due to natural imbalance. But whereas man-made disasters like oil spills in the oceans, when it is taken to other countries, then the big cargoes, if there is some leakage, then oil flow throughout those leakages and it is spread over the ocean and causes lots of destruction to the animals which are present in the water or the aquatic animals and plants. Then it is called human-made disasters. So let us begin this chapter. Disaster. A disaster can be defined as a sudden destructive event which causes loss of lives and property. So, disasters, it never announces. Only people can give some time or date, not exact date or time, because it comes always all of sudden and causes loss of lots of lives and properties. These disasters have long-term impact on the socio-economic condition and environment of the affected area. So any disaster, when it comes to any area, like take an example of Nepal earthquake, the impact is still seen because it has completely ruined the economical stability of the country, and it will take very long period of time to revive or to come back in its prosperous condition. So when any volcano erupts, then huge amount of poisonous gases, steam and other things oozes out, and it affects the environment of that particular area. But the poisonous gases or the impurities or the different gases which are thrown out through that volcano is not only found in that particular area, but it spreads over a large area and affect the environment of over a large or a very vast land. Now, types of disasters. Disasters can be classified into, as I told you earlier, natural disasters and human-made disasters. Natural disaster, as by name it is understood that natural disasters are those catastrophic events, its meaning is given just at the back, that are caused by the nature of or the natural processes of earth, for example earthquake, floods, cyclones, wildfires and volcanic eruptions. So the natural disasters, when it affects over a large area for large number of people and their properties are lost, then, and it is always caused naturally. And here some examples are given like earthquake, floods, cyclones, wildfire, etc. Human-made disasters. Human-made disasters occur due to human negligence, error or intent. For example, nuclear disasters, terrorism, biological and chemical warfare. So, human-made disasters, it happens, or for this only human beings are responsible. And why it happens? Just because the error or the negligence done by the people. Like nuclear disasters. Nuclear power stations are there. If there is any leakage, then that is only enough to bring a disaster. Recently, during this lockdown period, children, you might have seen in Visakhapatnam. If not, then please search it in Google. What had happened? The poisonous gas which was escaped out, it had taken lives of many people. Then terrorism. This is also done by human. Terrorists, what they do? They kill huge number of people. Then biological and chemical warfare. Now here I want to raise one question. Please tell me, this corona pandemic, is it a disaster? And please give me its answer in your WhatsApp group, which is made by Richa Madam and Amita.